Infinix S5, a budget phone with punch-out display, all for rupees 8,999. And they have launched a light version of this too, at rupees 7,999, which is very impressive, right? We got USB-C from Xiaomi for 6K, and this is not a surprise. So what about its durability? Let's check out. Plastic screen scratches at level 3, tempered glasses at level 6, and sapphire at level 8 or 9. We can see scratches at level 6 and deeper grooves at level 7, so no need to worry about any day-to-day scratches. At front we are having 6.6-inch IPS LCD display, which is covered by glass. The front facing camera, which is a cutout punch display, is also already glass. The earpiece is made up of metal. The entire back surface is made up of plastic. At top we have quad camera setup, which is a 16 megapixel primary sensor and 2 megapixel depth sensor and 5 megapixel image processing, which is covered under the glass. The flash is also covered by plastic. To the left we have SIM card tray, which is also made up of plastic. To the right we are having power button and volume rockers, which is also made up of plastic. To the bottom we have USB-A cable, port for charging, speaker grills and 3.5mm headphone jack. To the top we have nothing. The IPS LCD displays are revived around 10 seconds before the pixels turn black, and soon recovered without leaving any blue marks or scratches or marks in the display. Now let's do fingerprint sensor test. The phone survived the test. It unlocks often, but at sometimes it's a misstep. Now let's try wet finger. On the ultrasonic sensors like what we saw in Mi 5s and Honor phones does have these kind of ultrasonic sensors which can detect wet fingers too, but not this phone, of course, for this price. Now let's do water test. Will this phone survive a water test? It doesn't have any kind of protection for water. Let's check out. The phone survives without any problem. It works properly. But what I'm trying to say is water damages or long time effects. The effects will not be shown as soon as you get water problems. Here was the issue. I don't know whether it's a glitch in YouTube app or not, but the video is displayed differently, like it was glitching. This is not an issue though. This is the part I've been waiting for, the bend test. Yes, of course this phone survived the bend test, but there was slight bend after each and every test we did. Sometimes the back cover also popped up. This is not going to be an issue in day-to-day usage. Now let's do drop test. Did the phone survive drop of dead? I don't think so. Let's check out. Now let's drop the phones backward facing down. No damages to camera protection. No scratches. Works perfectly. Now let's drop the phone sideways. Okay, the glass shattered. Infinix should have used some cheap quality glass, at least glass they did, for the protection, and it's definitely not going to survive any of the drops. Please use a good quality case for surviving these kind of drops. So should you buy this phone? For 7,999 you have many good alternatives for buying, but if you want to be in trend, then this is not a bad phone either. It has good looking aesthetics, and to be frank, nothing else than that. So I could say please don't buy it. Invest your money in some Xiaomi or Realme phones. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Hopefully see you in our next video.
Let it go.